If you're still feeding and mucking out by hand, you absolutely must watch this video. Why do large-scale farms have such high survival rates? The secret lies in this equipment, saving the equivalent of 3 workers a day and earning tens of thousands of dollars more a month. Of what makes this equipment so remarkable. 1. Automated feeding system. Take a look at this overhead conveyor-style automatic feeder, made entirely of galvanized steel to resist corrosion and rust. As it moves along a straight line, it achieves over 98% feed distribution uniformity, ensuring every hen receives the same amount. With such consistent feeding, egg production naturally increases. What's more, just one person can manage feeding for the entire poultry house, easily saving 3 man-hours a day. 2. Automatic egg collection system. This centralized egg collection line is impressive. Eggs roll out of the cages and are transported directly to the egg storage area, with no manual handling required throughout the process. The breakage rate is kept below 0.3%, which is several times lower than with manual collection. Crucially, the eggshells remain clean and present well, so buyers are willing to pay an extra 10 cents per 500 grams. 3. Environmental control system fans plus evaporative coolers. Take a look at the negative pressure fans and evaporative cooling system overhead. Even when it's 38°C outside in summer, the temperature inside the house is kept consistently below 28°C. Working in conjunction with a smart environmental controller, the system automatically adjusts fin speed and water flow based on temperature, eliminating concerns about heat stress or high ammonia levels. The fans feature high airflow and low noise, delivering twice the performance for the same energy consumption. 4. Manure removal system. This is a longitudinal automatic manure removal conveyor belt made of PP material, which is resistant to acids and alkalis and does not veer off course. Chicken manure is scraped directly out of the shed, reducing ammonia levels inside by 60%. This leads to fewer respiratory diseases and cuts medication costs by at least half. Furthermore, the chickens' feet remain free of manure. Their feathers stay clean, and they look much better when sold. 5. Stacked cage system. Our H-type stacked chicken cages feature a hot dip galvanized finish, ensuring they remain rust-free for 20 years. The cage mesh wires are thicker, and the bottom mesh is highly elastic, preventing egg breakage and preventing chickens from getting their feet stuck. The 3-dimensional rearing system allows for high stocking densities. 1 moo of land can accommodate the equivalent of 5 moo, multiplying land utilization several times over. 6. Our equipment has a failure rate of less than 0.5%. With automatic feeding, watering, manure removal, and egg collection, the entire process is fully automated, allowing a single person to manage between 10,000 and 100,000 chickens.